The Blackview BV7200 is the latest mid-range rugged smartphone that comes with MIL, STD, A10H, and IP68 and IP69K dust and water protection that offers a tough protection layer against numerous possible dangers during actual use like high temperature, vibration, sun and dust, humidity, and rain. Hey guys, Fred Sekop here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're one of those that likes rugged smartphones, especially ones that come with cutting-edge technology, the Blackview BV7200 could possibly be that device that you've been looking for. So in this video, I'll be reviewing it and also share my honest opinion with you guys. But before we go into it, let me take you through the unboxing experience. When you open the box, you're going to see 3 compartments. The smallest part holds the Type-C charging cable, another part houses the 18-watt charger, and the biggest part houses the device wrapped in plastic, which carries basic highlights of the smartphone. Also, you'll find a Blackview sticker as well as a manual guide. As you can see here, it doesn't come with a regular SIM card removal tool, and that's because you can simply pry the SIM card tray with your fingers or use the included pry tool to remove it. For the design and build quality, the Blackview BV7200 is rugged. When I say rugged, it is rugged. It can withstand accidental drops on any surface. It's a mid-range device that comes with a sturdy feel. The device is handful and very strong. I like how it doesn't show fingerprint marks or smudges, which is always a good thing. The body of the device is made from plastic, except from the frame that is made from metal. As a device that is built to withstand any minimal torture, it feels rugged, sturdy, strong, and super durable. Do you guys want me to drop it again? It's still working, guys. And with its rugged nature, it doesn't feel too big or uncomfortable to hold. It actually feels compact and sturdy, and also feels well made. As a device that is rated IP68 and IP69K dust and waterproof, it should be able to survive any water test. Now let's put that to test. On the right side of the device, we've got the power button and the volume rocker keys. The power button also serves as a fingerprint scanner, and it is fast and responsive at all times. To the left, we've got a SIM card tray that can take either a dual nano SIM or a SIM card with a micro SD card. There's also a dedicated push-to-talk button as well. At the bottom, we've got a microphone, a USB Type-C charging port, and a speaker grill. As you can see here, the USB port has a protection cover that will help prevent water or dust from entering the device. As for the speaker, the device comes with a single down-firing speaker, which should be more than enough for some people, but I wish it had a dual speaker for a better sound experience. The rear of the device houses a dual camera setup that comprises a 50 megapixels main sensor, an 8 megapixels ultra-wide sensor, and a flashlight. Still at the back of the device, we have the light indicator according to Blackview. It gives you a glance at your notification. No need to unlock your screen to know whether you have just got a notification or call, as the indicator light will tell you. There's also a huge Blackview logo engraving, as you can see here. Now moving on to the front of the device, the Blackview BV7200 comes with a 6.1 inches Full HD Plus teardrop notch display. It's a 720 by 1560 resolution with a pixel density of 282. While the display is sharp, bright, and very enjoyable to watch YouTube videos and consume media content in general, it lacks a faster refresh rate. It is capped at just 60 Hz and it makes scrolling slow. I'm sure this might not matter to a lot of people, but if you're someone that has experienced a faster refresh rate on a smartphone, this will definitely bother you. Other than that, the display is okay. On top of the display, it also houses an 8 megapixel selfie camera and a cutout for the earpiece. On the performance aspect, the device comes with a MediaTek Helio G85 octa-core CPU. It is a 12nm processor, which in today's standard is considered too old. However, it is still a capable mid-range gaming processor, and it shows here. I ran some benchmarks and the result shows moderate numbers that are capable of handling most 3D games at low to medium graphics settings. Raw performance is fine with 6 gigs of RAM and with memory expansion technology, which add extra 4 GB of RAM, making it 10 GB in total. Multitasking, opening apps, and general performance is smooth. However, when scrolling through the user interface, it isn't as snappy as I might like it to be due to the lack of a faster refresh rate. When it comes to software, Android 12 is what comes with the device. I actually love the Android experience here. The interface looks familiar because it is closer to what you get from a stock Android. It comes with minimal Bluetooth and you can remove some by uninstalling them. Moving on to the camera, the device captures good-looking daylight images with a satisfactory amount of details, punchy colors, decent dynamic range, and accurate exposure. However, I still believe there is room for improvement because there are some level of inconsistency when it comes to sharpness and color reproduction. In fact, this is not a device you want to buy if camera is your main concern. Portrait shots looks good as well, but not the best that I've seen from a mid-range device. The 8-megapixel selfie camera is okay, but just go through the images and tell me what you think about them in the comment section below. When it comes to video, it shoots video in 1080p resolution with no stabilization. Hey guys, so this is a video from Blackview BV7200 selfie video, actually shooting in 1080p 30 frames per second. That is actually the highest it can go. It cannot go above that. What do you guys think about the video quality and the audio quality? Let me know in the comment section below. Hey guys, so this is a video from the rear camera of the Blackview BV7200, currently shooting in 1080p. It's actually the highest it can go. It can't go above that. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Now, moving on to the battery life, the Blackview BV7200 comes with a 5180 mAh battery, which I feel will be more than enough for an average user. It can comfortably last the entire day on a single charge. Then when it's time to juice it up again, the included 18-watt fast charger took only 2 hours and 15 minutes to charge from 0 to 100%. I think at this price point, I've seen devices that can charge faster than this, but most of them do come with a lesser battery capacity. Now, to sum things up, the Blackview BV7200 is a rugged smartphone that is durable and should be able to withstand any minimal torture or survive on most high temperature, dust and water. It has a drop resistance of 1.8 meters. You can take it under rain. I mean, you can have it in water for up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes and the device will still be fine. Now, this is not something you should be doing every day, but if the situation warrants, I'm assuring you it will still survive. At about 75,000 naira, which you can simply order from AliExpress, I feel like this device entirely offers a lot more than what you find elsewhere. You get a compact and sturdy device among its rugged competitors, a decent display, and a very good battery life. I highly recommend you check out the Blackview BV7200 and share your thoughts with me in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed watching it, and also subscribe to the channel, and I'll talk to you in the very next one. Bye bye.